baba. No? Sasakay na si Elect. And why did he give up such a very nice position? Okay, because at one point in his life, his health was parang na-challenge, no? That despite he being the best electrician on board, when your health fails, I'm sorry to say, we're dispensable. Did you hear that? Madali tayong palitan. Okay, so on his peak of his career, he decided, Lord, it's enough. I want to make use of the rest of my energy, the best of my ability in the ministry. And that's why I have become a pastor's wife. And there is no single regret, not even a minute of that decision. And you know what? You come in the right place. Hindi po ako dito magpe-preach, okay? I don't know whatever reason you were here, okay? I was here because, or I am here because I know that God has a purpose for me. Bakit ako nandito? And I don't know about you. But for me, no, I'm very clear. I'm very clear bakit ako nakatayo dito, why I'm sharing the advocacy, and I'm sure there's a purpose why you're here. Alright, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Alam niyo ba, eto ha, trivia. Ang hirap nito ha. Bidi! Ang hirap ng gagawin ko, joke lang. Okay ha? Alamin niyo kung anong gagawin ko ha? Ito. O diba? Meron uso po ngayon sa TikTok. Lahat mo na naglalakad. Ganito na. Okay. Okay. Bakit? Malay mo, ginto. Diba? Ang mga baby, pinagaganon na. Okay? So, the flag of the Philippines was raised in Paris because of Carlos Yulo. Why am I sharing this to you? Si Yulo ba pag tinignan mo pang gold? Di ba hindi? Comparing to his, yung rivals niya, maliit siya, tama? But he was oozing with confidence. Right? And that's what I want you to have tonight. It doesn't matter where you're from. What's important is you can. And the reason you're here tonight, because you can, hindi kayo natakot sa ulan, hindi kayo natakot sa mga sinabi nila, ano ba naman yun, okay? You are able to come here tonight, therefore, taas ang kamay ng mga gold medalists dito, okay? Woo! Sabay tatayo, 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 akala niyo ako lang, tayo, sino? Wala, at sabay-sabay